Man, there's absolutely no way, zero chance Donald Trump wins this election. I'm just so sure of it. And if I'm wrong, man, I won't cut my hair as long as he's in office.
Alright, deal. And if you do, you owe me $1,000, dude.
Alright, deal.
Well, it's looking good for you, man. Go ahead and relax. We're finally going to be able to cut that thing off.
Yeah.
About the legal push that they're mounting in
Finally gonna be over.
It looks like an uphill.
Oh man, there he is. He's taking it really hard.
Goodbye, DT.
And he looks like he's doing a lot better now. Well, it looks like we have a new president. So I guess that's the end of that fucking stupid social experiment. Next. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. And leave a comment down below to let us know what you want to see in our future videos.